Hello data lovers. So this week I have completed my 1 year working at Expedia as a data engineer. So basically it's my work anniversary. So I have a lot of amazing things to share with you all. Basically my whole summary of 1 year journey at Expedia, all those beautiful moments and experiences I wanted to share with you all, like what I have been doing at Expedia in last 1 year, what is my experience, how we work there, what's the work culture, my experiences about the management, managers, leadership, also what all things I have learned so far in this 1 year of journey, and if there is any bad moment as well or not. You will get to know my authentic experience working at Expedia. So stay there, watch this video completely. Also like this video in the big numbers, and that would be the best celebration of my work anniversary. And while watching this video, let me know in the comment section which experience of mine working at Expedia you like the most. And if you also want to give a shout out to your company and you want to share your good and bad experiences, also feel free to put it in the comment section. So let's set some target and push it to 200 comments. So first thing is amazing work-life balance at Expedia, and there is no doubt about that. Because about Expedia and its work culture, I heard a lot even from my friends, even prior to joining the Expedia. And I'm telling you, this is the truth. Because in my 5 years of experience, wherever I have worked so far, be it my first company, Opera Solution, then Paytm, then McKinsey, and then Amazon, and now at Expedia. So if I compare the work-life balances among these 5 companies, so Expedia has given me the best work-life balance so far. Things are very well managed here. Process is definitely very amazing. No irrelevant project deadlines, no late night calls, no meetings on Friday at all. Time offs are very smooth. We have a really cool and amazing work culture. Lots of amazing perks as well, be it the food, travel, cabs, wellness and travel benefits, counted travels and stays, health benefits, insurance benefits, and all these kind of amazing employee centric benefits, which definitely makes Expedia a great place to work for. Time to time, lots of meet and greet happens, success parties. Our office is very amazing. The vibe is super cool. Like you will just love it as soon as you enter in the office building. And the best part is that we are still following the hybrid culture, that in a week for few days we have to be in the office and few days we can work from home. This is the best thing for any employees because we can manage our office work and family time as well. Second best experience, super great and super amazing team to work with. And I think this is the most important part for everyone, for every engineer or IT professional to grow in the industry. Because when you work with an amazing team, a supportive team, that is the best thing you can get from a company. Because your colleagues, the environment in which you work for, can create a good learning curve for you. And that exactly happened with me, because my team members, colleagues are very amazing, very supportive. We learn from each other, we learn from each other's skills as well. We exchange our learnings, we collaborate and we build things together. And these are the things which actually creates a solid team bonding. And because of this teamwork, we are even able to deliver quality product. My team is not all about work all the time. We do a lot of fun activities together. We have spent a lot of crazy time working together in the office and even working from home over the call. And these things are definitely very important to reduce the stress. Third and very important thing which I got from Expedia, the best project of my 5 years of data engineering career. So before joining Expedia, right, I have worked in companies like Paytm, McKinsey, and Amazon, and in service-based companies. So mostly my data engineering journey and that data engineering work was around the batch data pipelining. Although I tried my hands with real-time, near real-time data processing pipelines, but definitely that cannot compete with the production on industry level real-time data streaming pipelines, right? Because it was just for learning. So this was the best opportunity for me. Here, the thing which I'm working on so far, I feel myself very lucky that I got a chance to work on it from very scratch, from the day zero when this project idea came into our bucket. From that day I am working on this piece, and this is nothing very amazing, a real-time data streaming pipeline which has just completed my data engineering skills and have given a great strength to my data engineering skill sets. Because working on real-time data streaming pipeline, I guess, is the dream of every data engineer, because real-time data pipelines are always challenging to work with, be it the scalability, optimization, backfilling, and all those complex things. when these things come into real-time data streamings, then definitely you need to create the best. I got a chance to deep dive into the real-time data streaming pipelines, architectures, the common challenges we face, how to scale, how to optimize. And if you remember, this was the reason when even I was making this previous switch. When I joined Expedia, I had offers from other companies as well, even including Google. And if you remember, when I created my past videos, I talked about this point, that what was the prime reason to even reject the offers from Google and to go into the Expedia. And this is the best reason, I would say, because even in all those companies, I was getting work related to batch data pipelining. And as an engineer, you can also feel that 4 years I've been working on batch, and I was exploring real-time streaming data pipelines by my own. So obviously it would have created a point of saturation in my mind. So definitely I am honest with my decision, and I'm just enjoying my decision to join Expedia and to work on this kind of amazing project. And since I explained about my amazing project, I know many of you are also craving for such kind of wonderful projects. But the sad reality with data engineering and big data, these kind of projects are not available on internet. But there is one platform which can definitely help you to improve your data engineering skills, that is Project Pro. I would definitely recommend this platform to all data professionals. You should check it out, and also you can get exclusive offers if you use the link given in the description. And why this platform is amazing? Because they have created an enriched library of more than 270 plus solved big data projects end to end. You will find two amazing things. First, the recommended projects from the platform itself, and even you can find the projects according to your skill set, which is custom roadmap for you. So let's say we are interested in the big data project. So let's say somebody wants to learn the Hive part. We can click on here. Let me give you a quick demo. So here you will find this project, which is Yelp data processing using Spark and Hive. So let's look at the problem statement. What does it say? In this big data project, you will learn how to process data using Apache Spark and Hive, as well as perform queries on Hive table. So you can see what will be the project outcomes from where you need to consume the data. Here you can say AWS EMR have been used, AWS IAM, AWS S3, and here you can even see the complete business overview to understand the entire problem statement, the approach you can follow, how you need to start and where you need to end, the tech stack, and the best part is the neat and clean architecture diagrams, which is definitely very helpful to build these kind of projects. And here you will be able to find the code as well to download the data set, the entire tested fully functional code. So this is a must try thing for each and everyone who want to become data engineer and want to work these kind of realistic projects. Feel free to check out the platform link in the description. And fourth is complete ownership of the project. And in Expedia, definitely my role is on the senior position. So when you work on a senior position, definitely you need to own the things. And that is not only valid for the senior position. When it comes to create your own visibility in the organization, in different teams, or you can say across the leadership, then owning something is the best thing you can do. And in Expedia, we don't need to fight for it. Even the Expedia leadership, their vision and the management take care of all these things, because here we are getting a chance to own some specific and major key components of the projects, so that it is also helping us to create our own visibility. Because when you are owning something, other teams, let's say you are working with different teams, they will also get to know that you have coded this part, you are actually owning this product. And even leadership will also get a chance to see the impact which you have created by owning this product, what kind of value you have added in it, and this is something which stands you out. So the project which I am working on definitely gave me this opportunity, because I was involved in it from day zero, including the whole architecture diagram reviews. We went through multiple revisions of architecture diagram. I have seen this thing developing from the ground zero. So now you can even understand the kind of ownership we have been getting for specific components. Fifth best experience at Expedia, and I would say this is very important to discuss, because this is also one of the key factor of my 1 year growth at Expedia, and that is friendly vibes and amazing relationship with the manager. And honestly speaking, manager is the keyword which scares any employee a lot. And mostly it happens when we actually try to switch our companies, because we are about to go in a new company, new environment. We have this kind of anxiety, we have that kind of fear. who will be my next manager, how he or she will treat me, how my manager will behave, what kind of project he or she will be assigning to me, whether they will be supportive or not, whether I can feel comfortable sharing my professional and personal things with my manager. And all these things are definitely super scary, because micromanagement is the worst thing someone can get in a company as an employee. And my experience in Expedia is so good when it comes to the relationship with my manager. He is definitely very supportive, and I would say a very strong personality too. His vision for all those folks who are working under him is definitely very great, and he keeps an eye on our personal and professional growth. He always appreciates our achievement and the hard work we have been doing, and at the right time he always corrects us with his experience that what all things we could have done better, where we made some mistakes, where are the chances of improvements, and all these things are definitely very important for our professional growth. And this is not the end, right? I always feel very comfortable to share my personal and professional work with my manager. So very positive attitude, chill vibes, and my friendly relationship with the manager is definitely amazing. I personally enjoy it. We always try to align and prioritize the things based on our bandwidths and our career goals. So no micromanagement sort of thing from his side, always happy vibes. And the most important part, he is always there to back his team. And this is the most important part, which has added a great value in my experience working at Expedia. Next is great learnings while working with different teams, and also great opportunity to work as an individual contributor. And this is also one extra addition in my work experience, and also I would say in my skill set as well. So the first part, which is great experience while working with different teams, and this is very much important. Again, when you work on a complex project, obviously there will be upstream teams, there will be downstream teams, and if you are part of that project which lies in between them, then definitely your role becomes very important, and your role becomes very crucial as well, because you have to collaborate with the upstream team, downstream team. And this is the best learning opportunity for us as well, because we get to know that how those teams are actually working, what kind of business they are dealing with. We get a great domain insights from them, what kind of best practices they are following. So these are the learning opportunities for us as well. We can definitely grab few things from them, from upstream, from downstream, and we can use that experience. If something works out really well for our system as well, then why not to implement that one? And this is the best thing I would say I got in my project as well. And obviously I would appreciate the tech stack we are using. That is definitely has added a great value in my experience, in my work experience, and even in my skill set. And that is definitely a very top-notch thing. And those tech stack, the things which you are using, are completely aligned with the standards which are being used in the IT industry and software development and data engineering world at this moment. And these ownership related things and individual activities also makes you an individual contributor in the team. In this way, you keep on taking new initiatives, whatever things can be improved in the project, what all good values you can bring into the project. If you have faced some challenges, you saw something which can be even helpful for the wider teams which you are working in the organization. So these kind of opportunities I also got here. I am working on something really cool to help other teams as well, and that is something which is a really best experience so far. I haven't done these kind of things like prior to join Expedia. So you can even understand what kind of value it has added in my experience. I can even see those kind of improvements in myself, which helped me to become an individual contributor. And definitely Expedia played a very important role in this 1 year of journey, because without those amazing opportunities, this was not even possible. And last but not the least, so much improvement in my leadership skills and presentation skills. And why this actually happened at Expedia, not even prior to that, because I didn't get those kind of opportunities where I got that level of ownership for something. And this is something which has changed for me in Expedia, because when I started getting those kind of opportunities where I am owning the things completely, then definitely I had to lead it from the front. I had to showcase the leadership qualities as well. And how did it even help me in other way, like improving my presentation skills? And that happened because even after completing the smaller milestones, we had to showcase our work to the leadership. And that is something where I got the limelights as well, because you get the chance to showcase your work, what you have delivered so far, what you have built so far, what is the progress, what you are planning, all these things you get a chance to present in front of the leadership, technical folks, non-technical folks. So you have to also think in that direction, that how wonderful documentation you can create and how easy to understand documentation and presentation you can create, so that in the limited time, in the wider audience where both kind of folks will be there, tech and non-tech, you are able to showcase your work in the most easiest way possible. And that is the best thing I have learned so far, and I am again improving a lot on this part, because this is a never ending process, and these kind of responsibilities and ownerships definitely improved my leadership skills. And again, as I said, it's a never ending process, so I'm still keep on learning and will keep on improving on this part, because here I also got a chance to work with junior engineers, and I work with them in a collaborative manner, so that I can also share my experience with them, what all best things I have learned and how it can even help them to grow in their journey. So all these things I definitely try to do that, and try to even push them, so that the best things can come out from their experiences and their energy. And this is, I would say, a good direction towards improving the leadership skills. So I'm definitely hoping these kind of amazing opportunities will keep on coming even in the next years. And a big thanks to Expedia as well for giving me this wonderful experience. So this was the overall summary of my 1 year journey working at Expedia. And I know many of you might be waiting, okay, what are the bad aspects or the bad experiences? So maybe you will feel disappointed to hear this. In 1 year of my experience, I am honestly not even able to figure out one single bad experience, because it didn't happen with me. Honestly speaking, you never know about the future, but whatever has happened in 1 year, I have talked about it in the most authentic way. I have shared my authentic experience, and all these happy vibes, all these good vibes, and all these good experiences I have got so far from Expedia in this 1 year. So looking forward to next year with new challenges, new opportunities, and I will keep you posted with all my experiences, whether it becomes good or bad. Definitely I will share all those genuine experiences. And as I said, also hit the like button, that is important, and smash that subscribe button and press the notification icon for these kind of amazing videos. And I will see you guys in the next week with another amazing thing. Till then, just keep exploring data.